Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to convert to inch. As example, I will create lines with length 100 and you can set the dimension with these tools, dimension linear. If you want to change these units into inch, you can go to edit, click on drawing preference and click drawing units. You can change into inch for unit. And then for dimension setting, scroll down. You can change format into architectural. Click apply and OK. The drawing will be changed into inch. Okay, that's it for basic QCAD tutorial how to convert to inch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.